I'm sure you've heard the news. Downloading Instagram videos just got easier with these 4 simple methods. First up, using online downloaders, copy the video URL from Instagram by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Copy Link. Head over to a site like Insta Downloader or Save From, paste the link and hit download. Next, browser extensions. Install Downloader for Instagram from Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. Now, a download button will magically appear on video posts. Just click and save. Third method, mobile apps. On Android, grab Video Downloader for Instagram from Google Play. For iOS, try Repost for Instagram from the App Store. Paste your copied link into the app and follow the prompts to download. Lastly, for the pros out there, use developer tools. Open Instagram on your browser, right-click the video and select Inspect. Navigate through the elements to find the video link and download directly. And there you go, 4 simple ways to download Instagram videos. Happy downloading.